Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of the UZI CO2 BB Carbine Firearm, made by Umarex USA, manufacturer number 2256100. This is how it comes packaged in the box. It comes with airgun safety rules, an airgun safety registration card, recommendations for 16 and older, a do not return this product to store policy information, more advertisement for Umarex products, and a manufacturer instruction booklet. It also comes with a 25-round magazine, which holds your CO2 cartridge. It has an extra CO2 nut. It comes with a front sight adjustment tool and a 1/4-inch Allen wrench to change your CO2 cartridges out. It features front and rear adjustable sights. It has a cocking lever, a foldable stock. It's made out of metal and weighs 4.8 pounds. It's 23.5 inches in length. It shoots .177 BBs with a velocity of 360 feet per second. Again, it is CO2 powered and shoots BBs. This has been the unboxing video for the UZI CO2 BB Carbine Firearm, made by Umarex USA, manufacturer number 2256100.